Hi, my name is Dr. Ali Tunkiwala and I practice at Car West in Mumbai. At the 26th ISOI in Mumbai, which is going to start on 30th August to 1st September, I'm going to be conducting two programs. One is a pre-conference course on implants in the aesthetic zone and one is a podium lecture. In the pre-conference course, we'll be having a detailed lecture on all the aspects of implant placement and prosthetic work in the aesthetic zone, where each and every participant will have a specified model on which they'll place implants in that model and learn how to make a good provisional restoration, which sets up the case for a good finish. In my podium lecture, I'm going to go into details of discussing 5 keys of implant placement in the aesthetic zone, starting from planning to surgical precision to making a perfect provisional restoration and conditioning the tissues to accept a very good final restoration, including lab communication. So I invite you all to attend these 2 activities and up your learning and see that you can gain much out of this conference. See you at 26th ISOI in Mumbai. And a big thank you to DentistChannel.Online and Team ISOI for this.